Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to trade with Webull app step by step. Open the Webull app, sign in, and confirm your account is funded before placing any trades. Start by building a focused watch list. Use the search bar to find tickers, and tap a symbol to view charts and news. Customize chart indicators and practice with paper trading first to learn order types and timing without risking real money. First, pick the ticker on the watch list and press Trade to open the order ticket. Decide if you need a market, limit, or stop order and enter shares or dollar amount you want to buy. Adjust limit price and time in force, then double-check estimated fees and buying power. Confirm the order and monitor execution in Orders tab, cancel or modify if conditions change to manage risk. Make full use of Webull's tools to trade smarter and safer. Start with paper trading to test strategies using virtual funds so you learn order types and timing without real losses. Add indicators, draw support levels, and read real-time news to form trade ideas. Use alerts and conditional orders to automate entries and exits, keeping emotion out of decisions and helping you stick to your plan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.